Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change volume color in Thinkorswim. First, open your Thinkorswim platform and navigate to any chart. Click the Style button, often represented by a gear icon, then select Settings. From there, you'll find the Studies tab. This is where we'll locate the volume indicator and begin our color adjustments. It's a straightforward process that enhances visual analysis. Once in the Studies tab, scroll down or search for the volume study. You'll see a small gear icon next to it. Click this to open its specific settings. Inside, you'll find options for up volume and down volume. These are the key areas where you can select your preferred colors. Choose distinct colors to easily differentiate buying versus selling pressure on your charts, making your analysis more intuitive. After selecting your desired colors for both up and down volume, make sure to click Apply at the bottom of the settings window. Then, click OK to close the study settings and again to close the main chart settings. Your chart's volume bars will immediately reflect the new colors. For consistency, you can save these settings as your default chart style, ensuring all new charts use your custom volume colors. Customizing volume colors significantly enhances your chart's readability, allowing for quicker identification of market trends and sentiment. Clear visual cues can help you make more informed trading decisions. This simple adjustment can truly elevate your technical analysis. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy while you focus on your trading.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.